Just on the day Prime Minister Modi is all set to take oath as the Prime Minister for the third time, Rahul Gandhi of the opposition now training his guns on Modi 3.0. Rahul says Narendra Modi has not even taken oath as the Prime Minister yet, and scam in NEET exams has devastated more than 24 lakh students and their families. Rahul says the Congress had made robust plans to deal with this paper leak industry, which is being run in collusion with the education mafia and the government machinery. In our manifesto, we had pledged to free the students from paper leak by making a law. Today, I assure all students of the country that I will become your voice in the parliament, strongly raise the issues related to your future. The youth have expressed confidence in India bloc. India will not allow their voice to be suppressed. Milind Sharma joining us live for more on that. Milind, you've been tracking closely the NEET examination controversy. We know that there was a committee that's been formed. They are trying to look into the irregularities and malpractices within the NEET examination process itself. But while that's being done, here you have Rahul Gandhi pointing fingers at Prime Minister Modi directly, saying that he is responsible for nearly 24 lakh students who appeared for NEET, ruining their lives.
Yes, Nabila. Well, it's become a huge political issue that's been raised by the opposition and especially the Congress party ever since the results of NEET UG were declared and 67 students emerged as toppers because of the grace mark formulation that was put forward by the National Testing Agency this time in providing the results. So the Congress party, especially the opposition, members, Rahul Gandhi has now raised this issue. Apart from that, there are other leaders who also have been speaking about how nearly 24 lakh students have been left in a lurch because a lot of changes are being seen. It's being alleged that the results were declared earlier during, the counting days of the elections to, kind of subvert and take attention away from, the kind of mess that is going on in the NEET results. But therefore, the NTA has given a clarification of each and every point of why, and there is a logic behind every reason that the NTA has given. And yet the opposition is saying, no, there is what they are calling this is a NEET scam. And now Rahul Gandhi raising this issue directly targeting the PM, saying, I as a member of parliament I am going to raise this issue in the parliament and continue to speak on the students. Remember, Nabila, the youth voter happens to be a very core voter for the Congress party. And now, in projected polls that we have seen, the youth voter share for the Congress party has gone up significantly in states like Haryana, which is also going to go into elections this year. So there is a 1+1 you can do right now, and how political, parties are going to use the NEET issue to their advantage is clearly visible at the moment, with Rahul Gandhi stepping up the ante and saying that I'm going to keep raising the voice of the students there. Nabila.
All right. Students, of course, at this point are very upset, saying that they've lost faith in the NTA. While the NEET examinations now are reconsidered, a committee has been set up, and we see that authorities at this point are mulling over a retest, but that hasn't yet been announced. We're going to take you through those updates as and when it comes. But here's Rahul Gandhi pointing fingers at the Prime Minister right on the day of his swearing-in ceremony. Thanks very much, Milind, for joining us.